So I basically use my clothing as a vehicle to whakamana the person that's wearing it. Didn't have the best upbringing, but you know, just I want to set a good example for the youth. You know, just, you know, we can make it, we can do like good things. I do a lot of social media, like I've got 2 social media pages. I've got my Facebook page, which is Swagg Right, Stay Tight, and I've got my Instagram page, which is SIST Clothing. Follow me if you like. And I've got a platform where I sell my clothes, which is swagrightstaytight.com. Look me up. Our generators help, they help me a lot. They help me out on my website. My products, the products that I have, I've bought I've got a new office, and all that, so it's been I'm very thankful for the generator for helping me. So, me and Aksa, BT VF Fitness, I've done a little collab this year, so I helped the Kazi out with this designing his clothes and all that. As you can see, I chucked my little embroidery on the bottom there, SIST Clothing, and then included his VF little logo there. If you guys are looking to purchase any, hit me up on, no. I'd like to make a massive shout out to Whakatautua and Emerge Aotearoa, and last but not least, the generator. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everything that you guys have done for me. And yeah, thanks from SIST. Cheers.